Yamandumarang Wiradjuri Warrior, Yamandumarang. Are you well?
Nawa.
Good. Your muru today is another important journey you've got to do. Very, very important. This is your muru, your journey. And today we're looking for a baliogun, an animal that leaves a track like this, big and small tracks we call baye, and you're looking for this. Ngurang. Ngurang. Nest. Now when the budgeons are finished with their boobajis and they've come out, their babies come out of the ngurang, they get rid of them and push them down on the ground and use them as another resource. So I have seen a couple on the ground this week. The boobajis have all hatched and flown away, so I need you to go out there and have a look for me and see if you can identify ngurang. Okay? Very important task today. You've got to go and find ngurang. Okay, off you go. Budgeon Ngurang, bird nest. Well done, Wiradjuri Warrior, done a great job. Very good. So this one's now finished and the budgeons have discarded it so that they can come back and collect the resources next year. If you look around you can see string, little bits of grass, little bits of pine tree, little sticks, very, very clever. That's probably what's left of a mitta blue wren nest, Ngurang. Mitta ngurang. Well done, Wiradjuri Warrior. Well done.